Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming up with the update of Skeem Saam from the 17th to the 20th of September 2019. Guys, just imagine having a jealous roommate like Butilo. She must be suffering from unknown sickness, I'm telling you. And on the other side, the mother-in-law like Mickey. Yo, guys, my pit is going through a lot. And guys, please watch and enjoy yourself. Thank you. On the 17th of September 2019, Mapiti is forced to go along with the plan she had in an attempt to avoid prison. Lelo set her plan in motion to thwart Lehasa's plan for surrogacy. Pretty takes out her frustration on Nimza, who is only trying to help. On the 18th of September 2019, Lelo puts plans in motion to speed up the process of becoming someone's surrogacy. Pretty is pleasantly surprised when Kat agrees to a favor he has no business saying yes to. On the 19th of September 2019, Mapiti receives a phone call that leaves her overwhelmed. Lelo takes extremely measures to making her pregnancy work. Nimza is a tad jealous when he finds out who will be assisting his girlfriend. On the 20th of September 2019, Lehasa receives a great news regarding his surrogacy hustle, but his excitement is soon cut short. Mapiti returned from court with good news, but the road ahead remained daunting. Pretty is beyond inspired by a young chef, and he makes someone in her life jealous. That is all I have for Skeem Saam this week. Make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Bye.